This is our view. Look at that. Oh, very nice. It's around 6 a.m. So overlooking mi sa dagat, and look at this little town. Hello, friends. Kanindot. Thank you, Lord, for the wonderful opportunity of being here. Ko'y tugnaw, gakurog-kurog ko sa katugnaw. Oh my gosh, the sea breeze is so cold. Wala akong view in the morning. Say na diri mga houses. Residential man siya ang takwa. Kuno lang sa bukid-bukid bitaw. Tsada kaayo. Wala ami kuan. Tungkol sa tagal ng balcony or tsada jud kaayo. Grabe. Wow. Hello, friends. Ficamp in Normandy. Sige na, musulod na ko kay arang tugnawan na gid kayo. Nada mo silingan, social kayo, man. Are those the chocolates?
What?
Are those the chocolates?
Yeah.
It's freezing in here.